Good morning everybody, my name is Marcus and I'm the director of MC Pressure Washing. As you can see today, we're at a lovely driveway job today. You can see the difference already in the driveway there. What we're trying to do is get people familiar with our brand, the Tradesman Club, where we would like all tradesmen to come together and show what they can do and integrate with the local community. This is obviously a benefit to the community, as we want to sort of come together and show people how we can benefit you, how we can improve on your home, and just show all sorts of DIY tricks and come together as a group together formally. Over the past few weeks, what we've been doing together with the Tradesman Club is just sort of putting out content that we found when we did individually wasn't interesting, but when putting out and becoming group members and administrators and moderators, we found that our content become very interesting, hence why we received 40,000 views upwards on our content. So we'd like everyone to sort of reach out together, feel free to ask anything individually, and hopefully together we can all become a big community and become together and help each other out. We have 24/7 marketing team on board, ready to help and assist all inquiries and show you the benefits of this group. Thank you very much.